Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to all of you who are new. Today we're doing another clean with me. You guys loved the last one so much, so we're doing another one. I'm doing it a little bit longer, and it's kind of like my summer routine, so it's kind of what I've been cleaning every day. And I'm also going to have a small mini grocery haul in it, which is something new for me. So let me know down below if you liked this video, and let's go ahead and get started.
Look at me now and say that there is no turning back, and maybe we should take it slow, but I won't go unless you want me to, baby. Look at me now and say that there is no turning back, and maybe we should take it slow, but I won't go unless you want me to.
Okay, so I have been wanting to ask this in a few different videos, but I have always forgotten. But my bedding, I'm thinking about upgrading it to just a white, simple bedding, but I'm kind of hesitant because of Alice. But the bedding I have now is kind of grungy looking. I can't get out all the stains, whereas when I could bleach it, I could. But I'm just thinking about that. But let me know down in the comments below if you think that's a good idea or if I should stay with my pink bedding. Okay, so I just finished up in my bedroom, and in the kitchen we have quite a mess. So I have to clean off my island. I also have some food I need to put away. I'll do like a grocery haul too, and then in here we have a bunch of dishes that need to be put into the dishwasher, and yes, that is all from breakfast. Since I've been working out recently, I have realized I cannot not eat anymore. I am hungry all the time. So I typically have about 2 to 3 breakfasts, and then I took a nap, and then I had lunch. So I'll probably have a snack here in about an hour and then go to work. So, all right, well, let's go ahead and do a little bit of a grocery haul, and then I'll get started on cleaning. Okay, so this is kind of like my mini grocery haul, so let's go ahead and get into it. Over here I have some Ezekiel bread. I actually had some of this, but Alice ate it when I was at work the other day, so I used this for breakfast and all of that. It's a really good bread. I have my pasture-raised eggs from Vital Farms. I have lemons because I go through lemons like crazy. And then since I am working out now, I wanted to get some oatmeal with flax seeds because I felt like this would be good to eat before workout. I have some vanilla protein powder. This brand is not the brand I would typically get, and the reason why is because if we turn it around and we look at the ingredients, it has organic flavor, which is basically just another term for artificial flavors. It can have up to 100 chemicals in it. It has guar gum, and it also has a couple of other things. Anyway, but this is the brand that was at my grocery store, so I got it. And then I also got some local honey in the Midwest because local honey is supposed to help with allergies if like you get it from somebody like in your city, but I don't have anybody that I know of in my city, so I just got the Midwest, and that is my grocery haul. So let's go ahead and put this away and clean.
Running broken, I'm just split in two. I'm not broken, I'm just split in two. The memory of you just come running back. You just come running back.
Okay, so I thought I'd show you guys a little pro tip. So these are actually all eggshells. And I save all my eggshells and I let them out to dry. That's why they were all lined up. And I actually have, I think, one more lined up because I used it this morning. So I just let it dry. And then I come over here and I grind them up. And what I do is I put them on my yard and my plants. And it actually like kind of acts like a natural fertilizer. And I really like that because that way I'm not like wasting eggshells. I'm actually like putting it back to the earth and being a little bit more cautious with the environment. So there's a pro tip for you guys.
I don't wanna stay here, no. Ain't gonna keep it low now. If you wanna go, let's go. Let's wrap it up and hit the road. I just got an awesome vibe, striking the wind.
And while I was wiping down my counters, I looked up and saw that there was a huge cobweb above the window. So I'm just getting that down by using my Dyson. And then I'm going to go ahead and do the floors since I kind of cleaned top to bottom. And I'm still using my Dyson V15. I absolutely love this thing. I just can't say enough good things about it. So, yeah.
stepped into my life. Such a magic feeling.
Thank you guys so much for joining me for this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in the next one. Go ahead and enjoy these satisfying vacuum lines, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!
Could have gone so far. It hurts to realize we're parted. Yeah, look at us now. This is who we are. And I just know things will never be the same. We're like strangers again. Strangers again. We're like strangers again.